In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can factory reset your Windows 11 PC. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Maybe you're preparing to sell your computer or you just want a clean slate. Here's how to reset everything step by step. Begin by loading into your computer and finding this little search icon at the bottom of your screen. Click on it and type in settings, and then either click on this little settings gear or just hit enter. In this left-hand menu, find the option that says system and click on it. Then scroll down on this page until you find the recovery section. Open this one up, and under the recovery options, look for reset this PC. Click the reset PC button to the right, and it's going to pop up with an option that looks like this. Choose whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and remove everything. It's going to pop up with a section that looks like this. Choose local reinstall to use files already on your device to reinstall Windows, or cloud download to get a fresh copy from Microsoft. Review the reset settings and then press next. I recommend reading the warnings here carefully so you know exactly what's going to happen, but whenever you're ready, just hit the reset button to begin the progress. But that's it, your PC is now going to restart and reset to factory settings. If you do have any questions on this, let us know down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. Have a great rest of your day.